How to use the interactive interface and functions. Click to open the toolbar on the left and right sides. Turn on the annotation function. You can click Clear or Save. Can adjust the volume and brightness here. Turn eye protection mode on or off here. Switch display source here. Adjust the sound effects here, or mute directly. Automatic brightness adjustment switch. Adjust the screen display style, cool or warm tones. Open the countdown function. Slide up and down to adjust the duration. Click Start to start the countdown. You can click to pause. Open the timer. Click pause or continue. Turn on screen recording. Click the right icon to start recording. Click to end. You can directly open the folder to view the screen recording file. Freeze screen function. Freeze current page. Support zoom viewing. Screenshot function. Freely adjust the size of the screenshot range. Or click full screen. Click Save and open the File Manager to view. Turn on Split Screen function. First select the software on the right, then select the software on the left. You can drag the line in the middle to adjust the proportion of the software. Click Exit. Open the camera. Shooting button here. You can choose to use your mobile phone to scan the QR code and save it to your mobile phone, or save it to the internet board. Click to view saved photos. Voting function. Set quantity of options. Vote by scanning the QR code. Open calendar. Full screen display. Disable touch functionality. cannot touch after clicking. One touch screen lock function. You need to set a password first. I set 4 zeros. Click on lock screen. Enter the password to unlock before use. The last one is the instruction manual. Click on the button to bring up multitasking. Click to enter the task. View features in settings. Check Ethernet connection. Check Wi-Fi connection. Check hotspot connection. Define hotspot name and password. Check Bluetooth connection. Enter personalization settings. Change wallpaper. Screen lock settings. This function will not be repeated here.
这个刚刚不是演示过了吗？
Floating tool function. Screen quick rest function.
嗯，可以了，可以。
After turning on the touch sound effect, there will be sound when clicking. You can switch the speaker and microphone devices on this page. USB lock. You need to enter a password when you insert a USB reader. Here you can manage the names of all input signal sources. Setting the language and keyboard. Check system memory usage. Set the preferred device for startup. Set up scheduled power on-off tasks. Screen sleep option. System update and factory reset. All system information can be seen on this page. 3 functions in the upper right corner of the main page. Wi-Fi, hotspot, Ethernet, The 4 icons on the dock bar of the main page are Professional Whiteboard software, Browser, Screen projection software, File management. Click to switch the pen color or shape. Click the Select function. Select your handwriting. Drag at wheel. You can enlarge, copy or mirror. When erasing, you can adjust the size of the eraser. There are more tools to use in the bottom bar. For example, a ruler tool that helps draw straight lines. Lots of graphic materials available here. This is the table function. Slide to select the size of the table. Write in the table and the table will automatically expand and contract. Mind mapping function. Writing here will be recognized as text. You can add the next level. Click to hide content. Sticky notes function. Input via keyboard. The sticky note will be placed in the upper right corner. Page zoom function. Handwriting recognition function. Save the page as a re-editable page. Select the save path. Name the file. After clearing the page, we open the file we just saved. In addition, you can also import other files, such as pictures, PDF, etc. You can also export the page to various file formats, such as images, PDF, etc. Jump to the File Manager to view. Set thing here. Here are more settings. You can change the type of eraser. The second is multi-touch. When you turn it on, multiple people can write at the same time. After closing, only one person can write. The third one is automatic brightness adjustment. You can customize the functionality of the bottom bar here. How to save content to your phone. Open the QR code scanning software. Next, let's talk about how to project the screen. Screen projection requires the device and the interactive board to be connected to the same network. You can also connect to the hotspot of the interactive board. If you use an iOS device, you can directly cast the screen via AirPlay. If you are using an Android device, please download the iShare app.
After entering, we see the iShare code from the main view. Take out your phone. Open iShare app. Connect to the same Wi-Fi as the screen. Open iShare app again. Select the screen to connect. Projection. Select reverse. Come right. Can upload a picture. can upload video. Can remote control. Disconnect it. Turn on web page projection. Share setting. We can choose up to 9 devices to cast the screen. Contains additional permission settings. Moderator settings. Screen projection, control, host buoy, connection permissions. You can choose the device to cast the screen. Multiple screens can be grouped to set multiple screens as slaves of the device.